What's up?
Rev it. Yo, can I catch you on camera?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Sick car, man.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
Alright, let me know when it's recording. It's recording. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel with your boy John Thickwhip. And today we're gonna be installing Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel with your boy John Thickwhip. And today we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber trunk lip on Jay's M4. Sit back, relax, grab yourself a cup of coffee. It's gonna be another great video.
Yes, sir. Got a little something in the mail. I believe this is a PSM spoiler from Souvenir for the M4. Now Jay, we got this for Jay. So Jay is heading over here with his M4. We're gonna slap it on the car, and then I think we're all going out to grab burgers or something. Trunk lid spoiler, easy install, a little bit of 3M. I haven't even opened the box, so I don't even know like how the fitment is or how the carbon looks. Hopefully it's A1. I'm sure it is. Souvenir always does a great job with that stuff. We will end up ceramic coating it at some point. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we probably won't do it tonight. But he wanted this one, so we ordered it. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in it. Oh, I'm so glad. I didn't even know which one he ordered, but this is the competition one, and it looks so good. But this one is dope. It's very minimal, but it's got super hard edges and then just a little bit of flex. It's not like my PSM one on my M2 was, where it's like really big. This one is pretty low key. I dig it. It looks really good. It's gonna look good on his car. Man, black cars with carbon, oh, it's my favorite. Looks like the whole thing comes with 3M already lined up in it too. So man, this is gonna be easy. You don't do anything. Just slap it on the car and you're good to go. I like that style though the most. Back in. You're a little tight on that side, bro. You're good. Come straight back. Straight back. You're good. That's good? Yeah, that's chill. That's fine right there. Oh, shit. I like those new tips. Are those the Burger Motorsport tips?
Yeah, I didn't realize the entrance is so tight up in there.
Yeah, she tight, bro.
Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck is going on here?
Those are fire. Kid.
What up, Thicky Thick?
These are dope. I like these, man.
The
Those are
driveway
really good.
is like the entrance to the garage. I'm like, what's going on, bro? Oh, it comes lined with the tape already?
Yeah, baby.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, baby. That's gonna be like the easiest install ever. Oh yeah, that shit's on fire.
Oh, alright.
I do be liking these tips though. Yeah, tips.
Yo, shout out to F80 Ho.
Yeah,
our boy
F80
F80
Ho,
Ho.
dude. Yeah, he called these out. I'll link these down below if you guys want them.
You already use clean? Actually, I should do the intro.
Still got the thickies on here. Yeah, you want to hit the intro, buddy? What are we doing right now?
So we are essentially prepping
Snapped into it.
the surface.
Personality.
Just all we're doing is just cleaning the surface, you know, making sure that there's no dust, debris, so that when we go to apply the, you know, the spoiler, wing, whatever you want to call it, it'll adhere properly. You know, trying to strip down any gunk. You don't want to create a barrier between the film or the 3M tape. And that's it. This is the hardest part of this install. This is gonna take a long time. Man.
All right, I think we're at 3 intros now that I've already made for this video. So we have the carbon fiber trunk lid spoiler for Jay's M4 today. Shout out to Souvenir for sending this out. We're gonna have a link down below if you guys want to get it. But it looks like it's already lined up with 3M tape, so this is like probably gonna be the easiest install ever. As you guys saw, he just cleaned this bad girl up with some isopropyl, and we're gonna slap it on. Should be easy. I think that, personally, I think this is the best one, like the cleanest one out there. It's really, really subtle, not too aggressive. Carbon looks good. It is gonna rain tonight, so I would say that we go ahead and ceramic it, but with it raining tonight, probably gonna have to save the ceramic for another day. If you guys are interested in the ceramic that I use on all my carbon, I'll have that link down below as well. Let's apply this carbon spoiler. So we peeled up some of the stuff on the edges and stuff. So we're gonna lay it on, and then we'll have room to kind of move it around. You wanna lay it on there and then just see how it fits, and then we'll kind of go from there. Just make sure that none of the red folds under. A little bit cold out, so we busted out the heat gun. But we got her. Got her. Edge to edge, man. It's clean. Real clean. Very subtle. Edge to edge. Looks good. All right, so we just got it on, slapped it. Man, it was easy as hell. Just applied it real quick. Looks really good. I think it's the competition style spoiler, but I'll have it linked down below. We're about to go get some dinner. Spoiler does look sick as hell. Super clean, dude. I think black cars with carbon are like my favorite. But yeah, this thing's looking sick, man. You said you got some side skirt extensions on the way?
Yeah, so they actually call them rocker blade extensions. I got them from Get BMW Parts, so they're OEM, so I know they're gonna fit.
Oh, they're the factory ones.
Factory ones, yeah.
What'd you pay for them?
They were I think they were $148 each.
FRP.
Yeah.
Right, not carbon?
No, it's like a matte black.
Yeah, so FRP.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, he's got the factory M Performance diffuser on here too. And then he just put these BMS tips on that are just like the silver, which actually look really dope. F80 Ho had them on his car. They look really good on this car. Are those like the competition style tips or what?
So, I mean, they just call them 3.75-inch billet straight cut exhaust tips.
They look fire. All right, so we'll see you guys on the road. Looks good though. See you out there. Represent. Got that thick whips plate. Loud boy. You a loud boy.
Gotta get it together.